Hi, my name is Cadence Staal, and I am a second-year student in the Medical Laboratory Technology program here at Oulton College. I really like the MLT program here at Oulton College because we get to discover all 5 of the departments, such as hematology, histotechnology, chemistry, microbiology, and transfusion medicine. Here at Oulton College in the MLT program, in the second year, we get to go out on a 8-week practical at a hospital of our choosing, where we get to practice all of the lab skills that we were doing at the college. So as somebody that's a little more introverted, but always had a strong interest in working in healthcare, I chose the medical laboratory technology route, as I don't have to work directly with patients, and I just get to analyze specimens and samples all day and provide diagnostics so that the doctors can have a diagnosis. So after I graduated high school, I went to university, and it didn't take me very long to realize that the really big class sizes and the broad subjects were not for me. So I switched to Oulton College, where we have a very small class size, very personable instructors. We get to be on campus, we get lots of hands-on experience in the lab, and a direct path for a career. So since we have a really small class size, we get to really know our instructors and have a really good relationship with them. They're always available for questions, and they're very reasonable to get along with, and they're really great. I've really enjoyed my time here at Oulton College, and I recommend it to anybody that has a strong interest in science and wants to work in the healthcare system that may not want to directly chat with patients every day. I'm very excited to graduate and get into the hospital.